In today's video, we'll see how to use GPT-4 in our VS Code IDE. So we will be using plugin called Code GPT, which uses GPT-3 and GPT-4. It can be alternatively used as GitHub Copilot X. So let's have a look here. So they have something called this chat feature where you can ask questions and the GitHub Copilot will give you the answers using GPT-4, right? So let's have a look and see what we can do with this Code GPT. So let's see how to install this plugin first. Open your VS Code IDE. Go to this extension section here, click on this search option and type code GPT. Once you type this code GPT, you will have this option. So you can see that it has around 292,000 downloads. So let's click on this and you will have this install option here. I have uninstalled because I have already installed it, right? So before we start using this extension, let's have a look at some very important point. So code GPT extension is free, but API it consumes must be paid for. Okay. So you have to use your API key from OpenAI account. So you have to use your API token to use this extension. And there are the steps how to manage and get your keys here. So let me show you. You'll go to your account. You have this users API key section. Click on this and you can click on this create new secret key and copy that. So let's configure our plugin. Click on this manage option. Click on this settings. Come to this search section and type code GPT. You can select the model here. If you have access to GPT-4, you can go ahead and select GPT-4 and you will be using OpenAI. So select this OpenAI. It uses other AI tools as well like Cohere and AI21. So let's select our OpenAI. Let these things be default and that's fine for us, right? Once you have selected your model, now next we have to provide our OpenAI key. For that, you have to click Ctrl+Shift+P. It will open this command palette and you have to type code GPT :set API key. Once you type this, you can provide your value here and enter. It will save the value. You can see here API key saved. Use the command developer to reload. So once plugin is installed perfectly fine, let's start using it. So in this left side panel, you will see this code GPT chat option. Let's click on this. We can start asking question and it will give us the result. So I'm going with very simple program in Python, reverse string. Let's see what we get from code GPT. So we have our answer here. So let's copy paste this here and let's see. So I'll go ahead and run this program. So we can see that we have the result. So let's see what more we can do here. Let's select this one. You can right click on this and you can ask to explain this code. So once you click on this explain code, you will have these details in the right side section here. This code defines a function called reverse string that takes one parameter string. The function returns the string reversed by using slice syntax with the step of -1. So you can see that it can explain the code. So let's see what more we can do here. Let's right click on this. Once again, you have something called explain code compile and run and unit test this code. So you can write unit test as well. So you can see here it has written a unit test class for this simple program and provided us. Next, let's see if it is able to find a problem in this program. So I'm changing this string to strings here and let's ask if it is able to find the problem in this code. Right, click this and find problem. So you can see here it is providing us details. The function name is incorrect. It should be reverse string instead of reverse strings. Let's see what more we can do here. So consider that you want to convert this code to JavaScript code, right? So let's select this code, come to this chat option, ask convert selected code to JavaScript. Click on this. You will see that you have this JavaScript code here now.